We are heading to Noryangjin Fish Market, taking taxi from our hotel. It's really exciting, and we are going to try the live octopus. This trip probably will take about 30 minutes. This is the seafood market. It's a huge fish market. Wow, this is a pretty big flounder, I guess. Other big crabs and live octopus. I have no idea what is this. Do you know what is that? The thing over there moving around?
Did you see the flounder?
Yeah, it's huge. Huge crabs. Here has some baby flounders. It has a lot very nice fried food, and for this amount of fried little crabs cost 10,000 won. You have some kind of cutting dance, right?
This float.
Wow, okay.
This float, this is hasn't salmon.
It's really, really nice. Yeah, this is a good place to get sashimi. If you pay 40,000 won, more or less 400 US, you will get a big plate of really nice sashimi. You will get all kinds of fish, like a flounder, what else? Anyway, all kinds of fish. We are going to buy this and bring upstairs to cook.
See, it's like a scallop. But
This
it's
is
like
a
that.
special crab we ordered. Let's flip over. Okay, see how does it look like.
I already took a picture for
You already took a picture? Okay.
rice.
아, 미간요와 탕크스아, 땅.
汤也吃吗？
Here has some, what do we call that? Hot pot?
Fish soup.
Yeah, fish soup. It's cool. We bought some live octopus. We're going to eat this octopus live. Here's a famous live octopus.
跟那筷子那个都有。
Okay. Yeah, we are going to try to eat this.
Chopsticks.
Okay, I'm going to try. Hey.